guys, this is Everything Awesome, and in today's video we're gonna see another magic trick video. As you can see here, this is a full deck. Okay, so what I'm gonna do here now is perform a magic trick. Please subscribe, please like, watch till the end of this video. Pretty sure you like this, and check out my other videos too. Okay, so I'm gonna do the performance first, and then the tutorial. So let's start. So if there's any joker, just keep to the side. And then I do not have an audience, so let's just say that they choose the 3 aces. Okay, fine. So they can actually choose any card. They can see and choose any card. Okay, so let's just say they choose the 3 aces. And I'm gonna take a random amount of cards, keep there, keep there, and then keep the rest here. Okay, so now they're gonna choose any of these 3 cards. They're gonna just shuffle it up, or else they can see and keep it also. It doesn't really matter. So I'm gonna, let's say they keep this one on top of this. They can take as many as they want from this pile and keep it on top of this. And the next one over here, any amount here. Next one on top of this, and put the rest of these cards on top of this. Take this pile, this, take this pile. So audience can do all that. And then now I want to start the trick. So I'm going to just shuffle it more, and just gonna take a few cards, keep it at the back. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to keep a few cards face up and face down. If you see your cards in the face up pile, just notify me. I'll stop shuffling it. So in this case, I know that's the 3 aces, but actually you don't need to know. I don't need to know in the actual trick, that it's 3 aces. It doesn't matter. So if I see, it doesn't matter. If I don't see, it doesn't matter. If I don't see, it's kind of better. I don't have audience now, so I'm just gonna see and then do it. Okay, so face up, face down, face up, face down, face up, face down, face up, face down. I'm gonna do that for the rest of the deck. And if I see any of those 3 aces that we chose, then I'm gonna stop right there. This ace we didn't choose, it was the other 3 aces. Okay, so none of those were there. So the next one, same thing. Okay, not here too. Next. Okay, not here too. That's surprising. Oh, the last 3. And guess what they're gonna be? Boom. Yes, you guessed it. The 3 aces that you chose. Okay guys, that was the performance. Hope you liked it. Let's get on with the tutorial. So what you're gonna need for this trick is a full deck of cards, and without the joker. And what you're gonna do is, this is kind of a mathematical concept. So what you're gonna do is actually I said that I took a random piles and just kept them, right? Actually that wasn't the case. What I did is they choose any card. Okay, let's say they choose any 3 cards. They can choose any 3 cards. Let's say for the trick, let's say that they chose these 3 aces. Okay, it'll keep them there. And what you're gonna do is you're gonna get a break. And how do you get a break? It's actually not on my channel yet. Check my future videos. I might post one on that. So what you're gonna do is you need to catch 3 breaks. Okay, that's pretty hard. What you're gonna do is you're gonna count at the beginning of the trick, before they see any of this. You're gonna count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. A pile of 10 cards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Pile of 15 cards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. And a pile of 15 cards. And then you can just add a little trick that you have 9 cards remaining in your hand, and you will. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Wait, what? What? Sorry, I think I added a card somewhere. Okay, let me count these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Oh, sorry. Okay, so there's the extra card, and you can, without counting, you can say, wow, I have 9 cards, and they're gonna be just mesmerized. Okay, so just a little add-on. So once you're done with that, you can get on with the real trick. Once you get this, you're gonna take the 15 cards pile and keep it next on top of the 9 cards pile and keep a break. So as you can see here, I use my middle finger for this one. Just keep it like that, and as you can see here, your middle finger is blocking a break there. And then you take the other 15 card pile, keep it on top of this one, and use your ring finger to make another break. So as you can see here, I have my middle finger break and my ring finger break, and take the last, the 10 cards one, and use your pinky to put a break there. This is known as a pinky break. Use your pinky and put a break there. Wait, sorry. Yeah, like this. So it's gonna look like this at the end, but you don't show them this, they'll be like, what are you doing? Okay, so if you keep it like this, they're gonna be like, why is the card coming up? Why do you keep your hands like that? So what I do in the trick is I actually just spread the top few out so that it looks normal. They can't see this claw-like poster with my hand. So, and they're just gonna see the cards. These cards are gonna be covering up the position. So they're just gonna see these cards. And actually, you don't need to hold a break. You can count out 10 cards also, but it'll just look kind of weird. 10 cards and just counting them up. They'll be like, why 10 cards? Why not 11 or 9 or 5 or something like that? So I just like to hold breaks for that. You're not gonna do this in front of the audience, okay? You're just gonna take, okay, I'm gonna take a random number of piles, and you take from the breaks, okay? And then you keep them. Be careful, you have to take from the break. And then this is the part where you say, okay, I'm going to think, oh, I have 9 cards. And then you can just show them the 9 cards, okay? So, you're going to take their 3 cards. You're going to keep them in front of you. And what you're going to do, you're going to tell them to take any of these 3 cards and put them on top. Okay? I don't have an audience, so let's say they're keeping like this face down, okay? They're shuffling it, and they can keep any card on top of the 10 card pile. It has to be on top of the 10 card pile, not on the 15, the 10 card pile. You keep a card on that one first, and you tell them on this pile. And then they can cut as many cards as they want from this pile on top of this pile. Okay, so this is kind of a trick. So what just happens is, when they take this pile, anyway this pile is gonna go on top of this at the end. So it'll still be 15 cards in the middle. So it doesn't matter. So it's just they'll get kind of confused with that. And then another one here, take as many cards and put them on top. Anyway, this is gonna come on top. There'll still be 15 cards in the middle. And then they'll put the last card on the 15 card pile. So it's going to be first on 10 card, and then on the 15, and then on the other 15. You take the rest 9 cards, put it on the 15 card pile, the last one, and then you put it on top, and then you take it in reverse order. You put this 15 on top of this 15, put this 30 or something like that, and put it on top of this 10, okay? So now you're going to have a pile of cards. You're going to say that they're all shuffled up, and they cut the cards and they put it in. So what you're actually doing here, you're gonna keep the cards are actually arranged. Actually, before that, you're gonna say, I'm gonna shuffle a little more and take the top 4 cards. It's 4 cards, always 4 cards, not 5 or 6 or something like that. Only 4 cards, and put it at the bottom of the pile. Okay, take 4 cards, and you're gonna say, I'm gonna shuffle this, and then 4 cards at the bottom. Okay, you're not gonna say 4. You're just gonna take. I'm gonna take some cards and put it at the bottom. Okay. So once you're done with that, you're gonna the deck is gonna be arranged in a fashion so that your card, when you turn it upside down, their card is gonna be in a particular position, so that when you do the face up, face down thing, it never comes on in the face up pile. The last 3 cards is gonna be their cards. Okay. So they're in that position now, and what you do is you always start off with the face up one, and then the face down one. Face up, face down, face up, face down, face up, face down. Like that, and you're gonna continue with the whole deck. This is not what they chose, okay? And tell your audience to tell you stop whenever they see their card, they're not gonna see their card anyway. So just in case you fail or something like that. Okay, so as you can see, their card came up, I failed, and you can just cover that up like, wow, yeah, your card came up, and then you can move on to the next thing. But if you actually do that properly with the breaks, the 10 cards, the 15 cards, actually this problem won't come up, and the last 3 cards will be their cards. Okay guys, hope you like the tutorial on the performance. Please see my latest video, my next video. Okay guys, please subscribe, please like. Thank you. Have a nice day.